Okay, let's welcome you to lesson two. Lesson two is going to be brief and it is something you have to do, even though it's going to be short, but it's going to be sweet. Okay, we're going to be talking about distinct characteristics of an insurance contract. What is insurance? Insurance is a transfer of a risk of loss from a person or business entity to an insurance provider. So they basically pool out this money into different people. So if there's a loss, it can be absorbed. Can you imagine if there was no insurance provider and you had a loss, what would happen? Okay, you would absorb that loss. So that's where property and casualty comes in, that's where life comes in, that's where health comes in. Okay, so we're going to be talking about contract of adhesion. Contract of adhesion is drafted by one party. Usually it's the insurer. Okay, remember that. The contract of adhesion is produced by the insurer. Okay, and all you have to remember for this test is very simple. It's an accept or reject proposition. You may see it on the test or take it or leave it. So when you see it is accept or reject it or take it or leave it, you know it is a contract of adhesion. Second, aleatory, Muhammad Ali. Muhammad Ali, remember that stings like a bee. Aleatory contract means I pay my premium. It doesn't matter whether it's for 5 years. It doesn't matter if it's for 2 months. Anything happens to me and I pass away, they pay $100,000. So basically what it is it's an unequal exchange. Listen to that. Unequal exchange of amounts is an aleatory contract. Next one we're going to be talking about is a unilateral contract. A unilateral contract, what you need to remember for the test is this. It's only one party drawing it out to be legally binding. Okay, and the promise is done and is legally binding by law. Promise. Okay, so it's a legally binding promise. It's only by one person, that's the insurance company. Okay, so the second part of that is extremely important you remember. It's a legally binding promise by one person, by one entity, which is the insurer. Okay, next one. We're coming on to the end of 3 minutes, so I'm going to push this one. Conditional contract. Conditional contract, you have to remember this for your exam. There's two parts of it. And this is going to be the agreement. You pay the premium, you pay me the moolah, okay? And you provide a proof of loss. And the insurance will cover the benefit. Folks, there it is. So just to summarize, today we've talked about contract of adhesion, aleatory contract. We talked about unilateral contract, one-sided, okay? And conditional contract. You pay the premium, we pay the claim. You show the proof of loss, we pay the claim. See ya. Talk to you tomorrow.